Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the AMD Error 186 that will ruin your game. So if your game's crashing or you get the AMD Error 186 during install or updates, you don't need to worry. I'll walk you through the quick fix to stop this error and get you back in the game. So the error usually means there's a problem with the graphics driver installations, and it's often related to compatibility or file corruptions. So this error can pop up because of corrupted old drivers, a bad Windows update, or a mismatch with your GPU model. So first, you can remove all AMD drivers using the AMD cleanup utility. You can download it from the AMD's official sites. This one, you can go to the amd.com and find the cleanup utility. Download it from the site and run it in safe mode. And go to products in here and find the software all tools. And now you can manually install the correct driver for your graphics card. You can again go to the AMD support page and then select your GPU model and download the latest stable versions. You can skip the beta versions. If you're still getting issues, you can try this. You can disable the antivirus temporarily, run installer as administrator, and make sure your Windows is fully updated. And that's it, no more error 186 and your game should run smooth again. If this helped, hit like, subscribe and click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye!